Hi, my name is Stephen Hensley, and this will be my presentation on video game programming. In this presentation, we will be discussing what is a video game programmer. We'll also take a look at the type of jobs that they might have and exactly what they do to accomplish them. Video game companies that you might work for, how to get a job as a video game programmer, and the type of salary that video game programmers make. What is a video game programmer? Well, a video game programmer are the ones responsible for creating application code, such as C++. They are in charge of coding complex algorithms and sequences to adapt to video game designs. These individuals participate in the video game process by modifying programming actions, recommending features, and testing the programming code to make sure everything works. Programmers are responsible for coding the game from the ground up using a programming language. Some of the most commonly used languages in video games are C, C++, Java, and Unity. There are many other languages, and it is a good practice to be able to use more than just one. There are different areas of work for a video game programmer. Some of the types of program includes lead, who spends most of their time supervising. Artificial intelligent programmers who dictate how computer-controlled characters react to the player's actions. Graphics programmer creates tools that allow artists to bring their work to the screen. Networking programmers who make it possible to play online with other players around the world and develop measures to prevent those players from cheating. Physics programmers. They make natural laws such as gravity or the lack thereof, and how different objects in a game will interact with each other. Tool programmers write codes to automate some of the tasks, making game development easier for less technical team members. Tools differ from one game to another based on the designer's needs. And user interface programmers who make the user interface options for a video game, going from as simple as a 2-button command like play and quit to complex series of menus with options. With the video game industry growing, there are lots of companies that are hiring. Here's a small list of some of the best companies, or considered to be some of the best companies out there, including some of the games or platforms that they make. We have Valve, who creates the platform Steam for PC and has made games like Half-Life, Counter-Strike, and Portal. Nintendo, known of course for Nintendo, Wii U, DS, with games like Nintendogs and Mario. Sony PlayStation, who's made the PlayStation, PlayStation 3, PlayStation 4, so on, PSP Vita. Microsoft Studios, which is known for their Xbox, Xbox 360, and Xbox One, and their PC Windows 10 gaming platform. Activision Blizzard, who is known for the Call of Duty series and StarCraft. BioWare, which is known for Mass Effect, Dragon Age, and Star Wars The Old Republic. Ubisoft, who is best known for Assassin's Creed. Naughty Dog, who's made the Uncharted series. Double Fine, who's made Grim Fandango. Bethesda Game Studios, who's known for The Elder Scrolls, Fallout, and Dishonored. Rockstar, who's known for Grand Theft Auto and Red Dead. And 2K Games, which is known for BioShock. There are a lot of other companies with the gaming industry growing to be worth billions of dollars. And more companies are made every day, including the fact that a lot of people these days post and make their own games and publish them on platforms like Steam. So, how do you go about getting a job in the gaming industry? Well, most obviously is apply. You have to, of course, go out there and apply for a job to get a job. There is a little other incidents that have happened in the game industry with people getting games, but we'll talk about that here in a moment. Uh, no, multiple computer languages will help. Knowing one is helpful and all, especially if you know one of the main ones. But if you know more than one computer language, then you'll have more opportunities available for you. One of the most important things is to create content. Even if you don't have a job, just create something and put it out there for people to see and try. There have been some people who've gotten into making video games for companies just because they've created some really neat things and have either put them up on YouTube, put them up on Steam or somewhere else, and then big companies have gotten a hold of them people and offer them jobs just based on that. It's a rare thing to happen, but it does happen. It also helps this day and age to have a bachelor's degree, especially in computer science or programming. The better educated you are, the better you'll look to game companies when coming to hiring. As a video game programmer, your salary depends mostly on the company that you work for. If you're a starting out company, you'll make less, or if you work for one of the bigger companies like Valve, you'll make more, especially through benefits and bonuses that companies offer. The median range for most companies is around $62,000. Thank you for watching my presentation. This is the end of it. Thanks. Goodbye.